Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Stanley MESSI Collection Ice Flow Flip Straw 2.0 bottle in 24 ounces. Try saying that 10 times fast. Now these are all limited edition styles from the MESSI collaboration, which actually came with 4 additional pieces: a mate system thermos with matching cup on top, a independent mate mug, which we've already unboxed on the Fashion Try-On, a 64-ounce ice flow jug, as well as your traditional 40-ounce quencher. However, this one does have the flip straw, which is allegedly the leak-proof quencher. So Stanley did get an upgrade with this collection. All right, as with the rest of the collection, this came in the signature bubblegum pink colorway. So all the packaging is going to be bubblegum pink, as well as the models themselves. So the pink comes from MESSI's team colors from Miami soccer team, which I think is a great touch. It's awesome branding. They also held an event at Cafe 10. I believe it was just a pop-up, but everything was pink, color-coded and whatnot, and just overall a great theme. So on the box you have both handles for Instagram for MESSI as well as Stanley, and of course on the side you have GOAT. Now that's reflected on the bottle and the rest of the drinkware collection as well. Of course GOAT being the greatest of all time, and depending if you are a Madrid or a Barca fan, you might have problems with that statement. Now, opening this up for the first time, the packaging was kind of weird. I'm not entirely sure why this packaging at the top had a fold over and then it was folded over again. So that was a little strange for me. But overall, digging in, we get the first glimpse of our pink bottle, and I really liked this model. So I really like the addition of the black. Now on the mate mug, you're not gonna see that black because there's no lid. But I do think that the black adds another dimension to this overall drinkware item. I think it makes it look a little bit more soccer, a little bit more sporty, and overall I just really liked it. The handle at the top there, you'll see, is pretty secure, so that's not going anywhere. And then taking a brief look at the bottom, of course this is not microwave safe. You can throw it in the dishwasher, so it is sport ready. Although it is pretty deep, so I'm not sure how helpful the dishwasher is going to be with that. Now, one thing that I don't love is that the straw has a angle at the bottom, and maybe that's for the physics of it. I'm not sure that you can have a fully flat straw and still, get everything out of the bottom when you're trying to actually use the cup, but it kind of hits me as, maybe not the most efficient, but in any case, it does come with that straw. It also comes with the flip top bottle drinker. So that is the new technology that Stanley's released with this collaboration, which was previously not available. So that's that leak-proof collection. Now, at the same time that this was being released, there was another collection being released, which was the first of all time quenchers with that flip top. So Stanley kind of doubled down with those new bottle tops. I do believe the top is removable, however, so you could put that always on straw right in the top there. I'm not sure if on this bottle specifically, but definitely on the quenchers you can. Now let me know what you think about this bottle in the comments below. Did you end up picking anything up from this collection, or are you going to? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.